Welcome to the cutting edge of business strategy. Today, we're exploring how to harness artificial intelligence to give your business a competitive edge. AI is reshaping industries by automating tasks, providing insights, and enhancing customer experiences. Let's see how you can use it to your advantage. AI chatbots can handle inquiries 24/7, improving response times and satisfaction. For instance, IBM's Watson helps businesses like McDonald's with automated order taking, boosting efficiency and customer care. AI analyzes customer data to tailor experiences. Amazon uses AI to suggest products, reminding customers to reorder and offering related items. Content creation is revolutionized by AI. For example, AI can generate engaging blog posts tailored to your audience's interests. Take Jasper.ai, which can draft blog posts, social media captions, and product descriptions, significantly reducing the time and effort required for content creation. So how can you implement AI in your business? Start by identifying areas that can benefit from AI, like customer service or content creation. Next, choose the right AI tools that fit your needs. Then, integrate these tools into your workflow, train your team, and monitor the results to refine your strategy. AI is more than just technology. It's a strategic partner that can take your business to new heights. Embrace it and watch your business transform. For more insights on leveraging AI in business, subscribe and join our community of forward thinkers. See you in the next video.